keep pushing. Oh my god. 2 months later. Come to mommy. Hey, well done, Penelope. Now your turn, Otis. Years later. What's up with you? Nothing. You're pathetic. I wonder why Dad doesn't love you. School. Try not to suck so much today, human freak. Home. Even end up with a human child. You must have cheated on me. Stanley, you know I would never. Keep your excuses to yourself. I'm leaving. We're home. Where's Dad? Selfish ass father left and he's not coming back. Get over it. Part 2 coming soon.